Adobe Illustrator gives you the ability to create your own custom workspaces. And those can be quite handy when there's a specific task that you wish to do or perform, and you don't want to be boggled down by having tools on your workspace that you really don't need at the moment. For example, in this project that I'm working on for a client, I'm specifically doing text for the design work. So I'm using typographical elements to create this design. So I might want to create a workspace that just gives me those types of tools. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just get rid of the tools I don't want to see here. For example, I have color. Of course, color is great, but for this example, I'm going to get rid of these tools here. And I'm going to get rid of swatches and brushes and symbols, and I'm just going to slowly just get rid of everybody here. And I'm going to bring in the tools that I want to work with. And of course, layers is always important to me. So I'm going to keep layers there. I'm going to go to the window menu and I'm going to choose type. And then when I choose my type tools, let me go ahead and just choose the character panel here. And I'm going to pull the panels apart like so. I'm going to drag that right to the bottom of my layers so I can have my layers available to me. I can also have my paragraph right underneath the character. And I'm going to put open type under there as well. So let's say that this is what I want to see for this particular project, and only those tools. Now I can go to the window menu, choose workspace, choose save workspace, and then give it a name. So I've given it the name type tools. I'll click OK to accept that. And now when I go to my window menu and I choose, for example, panel, that default workspace opens up. But let's say it's the next day or sometimes later that day and I want to work with just my type tools that I just created. Illustrator remembers what I did. It puts the panels that I want on the screen and only those panels. So that is really the main benefit to using a custom workspace. So you can focus on the tools that you want to work with and nothing else. You can also delete a workspace if so desired. We can go to the window menu, choose workspace, choose manage workspaces, and then choose the workspace that we don't want, hit the garbage can, and that workspace is gone. Illustrator will not automatically assign another workspace for you. It won't automatically just put default back here again. It's going to keep the currently open workspace open for you. But you have to go to the window menu and then choose another workspace to then have Illustrator replace the old workspace with a new one. So, workspaces are a great way to have the tools that you need at hand available to you without cluttering your desktop with tools that you don't need at the moment. And I highly recommend you use this option because it can only increase the speed of your workflow.